Hello friends, today we are going to learn combustion and flame. Combustible substances. Substances which burn in air to produce heat and light are called combustible substances. Example, wood, coal, charcoal, kerosene, petrol, diesel, liquefied petroleum gas, compressed natural gas, etc. Combustion. The chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to produce heat is called combustion. The substance which undergoes combustion is called a combustible substance. It is also called a fuel. Sometimes light is also produced during combustion either as a flame or as a glow. Air is necessary for combustion. Ignition temperature, that minimum temperature at which a substance catches fire and burns is called its ignition temperature. A substance will not catch fire and burn if its temperature is lower than its ignition temperature. Different substances have different ignition temperature. Example, the ignition temperature of kerosene is less than the ignition temperature of wood. Substances which have very low ignition temperature and can easily catch fire with a flame are called inflammable substances. Example, petrol, alcohol, LPG, CNG, etc. Conditions necessary for combustion. The conditions necessary for combustion are fuel, air, heat. A substance will not burn without one or more of these conditions. How do we control fire? The conditions necessary for producing fire are fuel, air, heat. Fire can be controlled by removing any one or more of these conditions. A fire extinguisher cuts off the supply of air or brings down the temperature of the fuel or both and controls the fire. Types of combustion. There are three main types of combustion. They are rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion, explosion. Rapid combustion is combustion in which a substance burns rapidly and produces heat and light with the help of external gas. Example, burning of LPG. Spontaneous combustion is combustion in which a substance burns spontaneously and produces heat and light without the help of external gas. Example, phosphorus burns spontaneously at room temperature. Explosion is a combustion in which a substance burns suddenly and produces heat, light and sound with the help of heat or pressure. Example, explosion of crackers on applying heat or pressure. Flame. Flame is the zone of combustion of a combustible substance. Substances which vaporize during burning produce flames. Example, kerosene, wax, etc. Substances which do not vaporize during burning do not produce flames. Example, coal, charcoal, etc. Structure of a candle flame. Outer zone, hottest part, non-luminous zone. Complete combustion, middle zone. Yellow, moderately hot. Luminous zone, partially combustion. Inner zone, black. Least hot, unburned wax vapors. Structure of a candle flame. A candle flame has three main zones. They are outer zone, middle zone, inner zone. In the outer zone, complete combustion of the fuel takes place and the color of the flame is blue and is the hottest part of the flame. It is the non-luminous part of the flame. In the middle zone, partial combustion of the fuel takes place and the color of the flame is yellow and is moderately hot part of the flame. It is the luminous part of the flame. In the inner zone, there are unburnt vapors of the fuel and the color is black and is least hot part. Types of fuels. Fuels are of three main types. They are solid fuels, example wood, coal, charcoal, etc. Liquid fuels, example kerosene, petrol, diesel, etc. Gaseous fuels, example CNG, LPG, biogas, hydrogen, etc. Characteristics of a good fuel. The main characteristics of a good fuel are is readily available, is cheap, is easy to store and transport, burns at a moderate rate, produces a large amount of heat, do not leave behind any undesirable substance, do not cause pollution. Calorific value of a fuel. The calorific value of a fuel is the amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kg of a fuel. The calorific value of fuel is expressed in kilojoule per kg. Calorific values of some fuels in kilojoule per kg. Cow dung cake 6,000 to 8,000. Wood 17,000 to 22,000. Coal 25,000 to 33,000. Petrol 45,000. Kerosene 45,000. Diesel 45,000. Methane 50,000. CNG 50,000. LPG 55,000. Biogas 35,000 to 40,000. Hydrogen gas 1,50,000. Has the highest calorific value among all fuels. Harmful effects on the environment due to burning of fuels. Fuels like wood, coal, petroleum release unburnt carbon particles which cause respiratory diseases like asthma. Incomplete combustion of fuels release carbon monoxide gas which is a very poisonous gas which can cause death. Burning of most fuels release carbon dioxide gas which causes rise in the temperature of the atmosphere. This is called global warming. It causes melting of polar ice, rise in sea level and flooding of coastal areas. Burning of coal and petroleum release oxides of sulfur and nitrogen which dissolves in the rain water and forms acid rain. It is harmful for crops, soil and damages buildings.